Okay, there are no other questions. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank, of course, the Dr. Alisha Sokan, not Honorable, but Dr. Alisha Sokan, Honorable Minister for Education, Heritage Art, Director General, Digital Fiji, and of course the Acting Permanent Secretary for Health. Ladies and gentlemen, as we said, there's obviously quite a lot of information has been given out today. Please feel free to go to our website. Some of the information, the framework, there's some fine-tuning being done that should be uploaded at least by tomorrow morning regarding this. We also have, as the Director General highlighted, and which is very important for us as part of our strategy in the second phase, download Care Fiji app. I'd like to also take this opportunity to thank the insurance company, Fiji Care, for providing the marketing funding for this. They're working very closely with us. As you know, they're a natural partner because they provide insurance for all civil servants, all members of disciplined forces, and all social welfare recipients. They came forward, they wanted to participate, and we obviously like to acknowledge them for that. We'll have a lot of advertising material going up. Please make use of it. Those businesses that are now open or have now larger numbers that they can operate with, please respect the announcements that have been made. Please collaborate with your organization bodies, your industry leaders, with the various ministries, and also generally with government. It's a collaborative approach, because if we are able to implement with the health measures being put in place, then we can obviously move on to the next phase, which will be good for everybody. It obviously bring people back to jobs, which is very, very important for all of us. We'd also like to say, of course, please don't hesitate in respect of writing in regarding the budget submissions. I know some people, they started sending submissions even after it was closed, but that's okay, we can accept that. Next week we are holding, from Monday, holding public consultations. We've already had some consultation one-on-one with various organizations, in particular in developing the framework, but now we'll be having wider sort of public consultations regarding the budget. We're starting off with the Western Division in the coming week. So quite a few activities happening, a lot of information to digest. Don't hesitate, as members of the media, please don't hesitate to ask any questions. You can send in written questions to the Ministry of Communication or directly to any of the panelists over here. I'm quite happy to facilitate that, and you will play a very pivotal role in respect of taking us through this phase 2 and obviously onto phase 3. Thank you very much, and we look forward to your collaboration with NACA. Thank you.